Hi folks, and a very warm welcome to the Infobip quarterly product update for Q2 2024. My name is Alice Good from the product marketing team, and thank you for joining me as we walk through the latest and greatest product developments. So let's jump straight in. We've got lots of great content to cover today from across our portfolio. We'll kick off with our Swift launch, which is a new compliance service enabling faster time to market. Then we'll jump over to our chatbot building platform Answers to discuss new re-engagement actions. And lastly, we'll talk about Conversions API for WhatsApp. Okay, first things first, streamlining sender and campaign registration processes with Swift Launch. Swift Launch is designed to simplify your sender and campaign registration processes, whether you're operating in the US or abroad. With Swift Launch, you gain access to a dedicated compliance team that offers expertise, practical insights, regulatory knowledge, and proactive engagement to effectively meet your evolving needs. But who can benefit from Swift Launch? If you're a global enterprise or an ISV, you'll find Swift Launch invaluable. Navigating the complex compliance procedures across different regions can be daunting, and speeding up your revenue generation is crucial. Our specialized compliance experts are here to streamline your operations, making your journey smoother and more efficient. Next up, triggering actions after user inactivity for Answers. Answers is Infobip's chatbot building tool, which enables you to easily build intelligent chatbots to engage, support, and generate leads. By working with our customers, we discovered that sometimes end users drop out of bot conversation and don't reply within the expected time. But to combat this, we're introducing new triggering actions. With this update, we're giving our customers the options to set different actions for critical parts of the user journey when a user doesn't respond immediately. The new timeout option in Answers allows you to configure the bot to set up reminders and different actions based on where the user was in the chatbot journey. This enables you to create flexible behavior tailored to the user's position in the bot journey. The timeout option is available for user input and attribute elements and can be set from 1 to 60 minutes to suit various use cases. Next up, let's take a look at some use cases where this might come into play. The first use case, a user has checked a specific product but hasn't continued in the bot journey. Now you can set reminders within a chatbot session time window to regain their attention and ensure they continue exploring your offer. Second use case for authentication. When doing authentication through a chatbot, special attention is given to session lengths and authentication timeouts to protect sensitive information. Set a time limit for completing authentication, and if a user doesn't respond within this given time, offer to repeat the request. And the third use case, redirecting to an agent where appropriate. If a user doesn't respond within a specific time, whether because the bot wasn't helpful or the user had doubts, use this new feature to allow them to automatically redirect to an agent, which can significantly improve the user experience. And last but not least, let's talk about Conversions API, which is now available for the API WhatsApp business. Previously, we introduced Infobip Analytics for conversations initiated through click-to-WhatsApp ads. This feature helps you mitigate unconnected data challenges and send conversion signals back to Meta when using a chatbot on Answers. Now we are excited to announce that this capability is also available for those using the WhatsApp API. This means more customers can configure the Exchange app and start sending conversion signals back to Meta. For all conversations starting from the click to WhatsApp ads, you will now see conversion information in Meta Ads Manager. This enhancement allows you to track your ad performance in one place and make data-driven decisions. To use this solution, activate and configure Meta Ads reporting for the business messaging app on the Infobip Marketplace Exchange. And that's a wrap for this quarter. To find out more information, check out the Product Updates blog or head over to the Documentation Hub on our website. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.